Welcome! In this tutorial, we'll walk through how to efficiently copy data from a calculation queue into a reporting queue using the TM1 Bedrock Python library. This process is commonly used to improve performance and simplify reporting by storing pre-aggregated data in a smaller queue. Let's get started. In our example, the calculation queue contains data at a very detailed level. It includes additional dimensions such as organization unit and employee, and it also has rules that calculate certain values dynamically. Because of this, summarizing or querying reports directly from the calculation queue can be slow. To solve this, we copy the data into a reporting queue that only includes the dimensions needed for reporting. We'll start by importing the necessary packages and creating our TM1 engine object. Once that's done, we can prepare the query that retrieves the data from the calculation queue. It's important that our query accounts for the missing dimensions in the reporting queue by selecting their total elements. This ensures that data from those extra dimensions will be summed correctly during the copy process. In this example, we're selecting all periods, line items, currencies, and products, since these are the key reporting dimensions. From the measures dimension, we select the final value, and we also choose the specific version element we want to copy from. For the two missing dimensions, organization unit and employee, we select their total elements to make sure the data is aggregated properly. Once our query is ready, we can define how to transform and map the data for the reporting queue. This step ensures that the data is written to the correct reporting version. Any extra dimensions from the source queue are filtered and dropped, and related dimensions that share the same elements but have different names are correctly mapped. To do this, we define our mapping steps. Mapping steps are defined as a list of dictionaries, where each dictionary represents a transformation. In this case, we only have one mapping step. Inside it, we specify the mapping method as replace. Next, we define the mapping itself. The mapping expects a nested dictionary, where the outer key is the dimension name, and the value is another dictionary that defines the source to target relationships. The left side represents the source dimension or element, and the right side represents its corresponding target in the reporting queue. With our mapping defined, we can move on to filtering and omitting dimensions. Here, we want to sum all data across the organization unit and employee dimensions, so we specify those dimension names and their total elements. The next transformation defines related dimensions. In our example, we're mapping the line item sales dimension from the calculation queue to the line item sales reporting dimension in the reporting queue. Before writing data, it's good practice to clear the target area to ensure data consistency. We enable target clearing and define a list of NBX sets that specify exactly which slice of the queue to clear. In this case, we're clearing only one set, the reporting version. This ensures that the script overwrites old data cleanly and avoids duplication. We'll also set the logging level to the most detailed one so we can see everything the script is doing step by step. Additionally, we set the use_blob parameter to true. This significantly improves performance by speeding up both reading and writing operations. When working with TM1 services, always make sure to handle connections properly. You can either use a with statement, or if you're using a try finally block, be sure to log out in the finally section. This ensures the TM1 connection closes safely even if something goes wrong. After all parameters are set and our transformations are defined, we can call Bedrock's data copy interqueue process and execute the script. As the script runs, you can observe the logging output. It shows each step of the extraction, mapping, transformation, and loading process. Once it's done, we can confirm that the data has been successfully copied into the reporting queue and stored under the correct version. And that's it. We've just walked through the entire process of transferring data from a detailed calculation queue into a reporting queue using TM1 Bedrock Py. This approach allows you to maintain rich calculations in your source queue while optimizing reporting performance in a dedicated, simplified queue. Thanks for watching. To learn more, visit the TM1 Bedrock Py project on GitHub. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.